Right, folks, Billy here, something a little bit different. So we're going to go to B&Q. You guys in the States call it a big box store or whatever. Now, I want to check the prices on what and let you comment below what you think of the prices. So it's more for the UK, but you'll sort of get it, you guys in the US, and it's good for you to see what the kind of things we get over here. So anyway, let's get going. We're coming through the lovely Langley Mill now, not far from B&Q. We're here. Hot dog van outside B&Q. Why do they have one-way systems down these daft parts here? I'll put the van down bottom there. I'll put it here. Right, been in B&Q, just had a look around there, done the video for you. Now, I hope I've got sort of most of the prices in for you. I'm not very good at that kind of thing, as you can see. But it was just to give you an idea of what our big box stores are, B&Q, for the guys in the UK, just to show you what they've got in. Now, whatever you think about the price, what you've got to think about with the likes of these guys here, they've got massive overheads to pay, wages to pay, all that kind of thing. But is it still expensive? Is it still expensive? And the convenience of these stores where you can sort of, you know, you wake up, you're doing your hobby, you're doing your woodworking, and you need something sort of today, now. These guys are open 7 days a week. So please, when you look at prices, take all that into account. I'm not sponsored by them. I'm not bigging them up or anything like that. Personally, I wouldn't buy any of the tools out there. I'd plan and sort of buy stuff from different places because it is like much cheaper. But for convenience, like I need these. I've ordered some off Amazon and they're sort of like a quarter of the price on Amazon, but I need these for one of my projects I've got sort of lined up for tomorrow, and the ones I've ordered are not going to be here for a few days yet. So anyway, hope you like that video. In the comments, let me know what you think. I'm not trying to big these up, far from it, but let me know what you think about B&Q in the UK. Bye.